Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. As you can see right now, my hair looks a mess and I'm going to be washing my hair. Today is wash day. Look at this hair, guys. Like, can you pity me? Like, look at my hair. Look at my hair, guys. Like, the weather is so dry right now in Abuja. Like, if you come out, your hair just gets dry, it gets frizzy immediately. So I can't wait to give my hair some good loving, and I hope that this product deliver and I'm not disappointed. I had a video where I shopped for a new product. Part of the products were the African Pride Moisture Clay and Shea Butter Heat Activated Mask. And the other product was the African Pride Aloe and Coconut Water Detangle Condition Pre-Shampoo. I've never tried it before. I've seen so many reviews. Before we get to the video, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Support your girl. Show me some love. Give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and turn on your post notifications so you know each time that I drop a video. First thing I'm going to be doing is putting my hair in sections. Your hair is easier to work with. The manageability is easier when you put your hair in sections. You can't just detangle your hair like this. So that's what I'm going to do first. My hair sounds so brittle and dry, like it sounds crunchy. Your hair shouldn't be sounding crunchy, guys. That's not good. So first thing I'm going to do is read the directions, because I don't want to use the product the wrong way, and then if I don't get the results I desire, I'll not start bashing. So let's read the instructions. It says, before cleansing, apply a generous amount to dry hair and distribute evenly. Use fingers or comb to detangle and rinse thoroughly. For especially dry hair, which my hair is, or tangled hair, leave on for 15 to 30 minutes before rinsing. I've read the instructions. Let's get to it. I'm so excited. It smells nice. It smells really nice. This feels like a jelly, you know, like a custard. I like the texture. I'm first of all going to divide my hair, the back section, into two so that it's easier to work with in this. I just took some of the product with my fingertip and I'm going to apply it. Oh wow. Ooh, hoo hoo. Guys, this sleep is... Hey. So na sleep, oh. Sleep past sleep. Wow, the shed hair is just coming out. The only shed hair I've gotten is this. I don't know if you can see this. So I'm going to do the rest off camera and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm done pre-pooing my hair. I finger detangled this whole 4 sections and this is what my hair looks like. I can't lie to you guys, man. It really helped me detangle my hair with ease. I was able to do this faster than I normally do, which is amazing. And I just I found something new to my regimen, man. Shoot, look at my hair, guys. My curls are popping. My curls are like, look at this, look at this, look at this. It says on the instruction that I should leave for 15 to 30 minutes, and I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to shampoo my hair with my regular shampoo, and then I'll be back to apply my heat mask, the Shea Butter and Moroccan Clay mask from African Pride. I like this. I think this I'm going out. Yeah, I like this. So I'm done washing my hair. I had the pre-poo on, I rinsed it out, and then I used my black soap shampoo to wash my hair. Just taking it off, and I use this microfiber towel that I just got from naturalhairavenue.com. When I rinsed the pre-poo from my hair, it didn't feel stripping and my hair didn't feel as dry as it was prior to me pre-pooing it. But what I noticed is that normally when I do my own DIY pre-poo, that is, I blend aloe vera with olive oil and any essential oil I have. I put that pre-poo on my hair overnight and my hair feels so much softer compared to using this pre-shampoo and leaving it on my hair for 15 minutes. I didn't leave it up to 30 minutes. Maybe that's why it didn't feel dry, but it didn't feel as soft as my regular DIY pre-shampoo. Maybe next time I use it I should leave it on for longer to get that like really soft effect. But anyway guys, let's move on to the next product, which is the Moroccan clay and shea butter heated mask. Let's get to using this product. As you can see, my hair is in 4 sections, so I'm just gonna work with it like that. Working with this section first. Normally I like to work on very damp hair. My hair is still a bit wet, so I'm just going to use my towel to blot out the water. Low porosity girls, it's best to deep condition your hair when it's damp, not wet. So let's see what this mask looks like. It smells okay. It's not too strong. It smells like, smells like cocoa butter, Palmer's cocoa butter, I don't know. So let's get to it. Just taking that. It doesn't have slip. It does not have any slip whatsoever. And it's just like my hair is absorbing it. It's not like sitting on my hair, which is good. It's like my hair is just drinking it. If any of you guys have used clay before on your hair, you will know that clay doesn't have slip. So I guess that's why this doesn't have slip. And mind you, this mask is a heat mask. So for you to really feel the effect, you're gonna have to use heat. I'm just gonna twist my hair because it's easier for me to wash my hair and twist. So I'm just gonna do that. Yep, this is definitely clay. This is how clay feels. Products from roots to ends. My hair is just drinking it. Like, you know, some deep conditioners, you just put it on your hair and you can see the deep conditioner, but this one is like the hair is drinking it. It disappears into your strands. This is clay for real. This is what clay feels like. If you've used bentonite clay, this is it. This is like, I'm getting that same feeling. It's almost like my hair is it's not stiff, but semi-stiff. You see that? If I do like this, the hair is almost like, this is clay. This is the clay effect, and clay is really good for your hair. For bentonite clay, I know that one clarifies your hair. I didn't even read what this one does. Let's see. This detoxifying restorative clay mask uses the clarifying benefits of Moroccan red clay to remove impurities and product buildup on your hair. The shea butter replenishes moisture while strengthening the hair and leaving you with soft, hydrated coils and curls. So basically, the clay is going to remove the impurities and build up from my hair. The shea butter will re-moisturize my hair and strengthen it. I'm done putting the clay on my hair, and the direction says that section clean hair, wet hair, which we've already done, apply generously from the root to the end. Done that. Cover with a plastic cap and sit under a hooded dryer for up to 15 minutes, or cover with a plastic cap and a warm towel and let it sit up for 30 minutes. So I have a plastic cap which I'm going to use. Plastic cap is on. I don't have a hooded dryer, so I'm going to use a steaming cap. And honestly, I'm just hoping that by the time I use the steaming cap, I'm going to see some magnificent difference, because right now, to be honest, I'm not so impressed as I was the pre-shampoo. But let me follow the instructions. I'm going to use this for 30 minutes like so. Wow, what do I look like, guys? I'm gonna use this for 30 minutes, plug it in, and I'll be back for my final review. So guys, finally I'm done washing my hair. I just rinsed out the mask from my hair, and this is what my hair looks like. I don't know if you can see it. I washed my hair in twists, that's why it looks like this. Oh guys, my hair feels soft. My hair feels soft. When I took out the steaming cap, my hair felt very soft and very moisturized. At first when I was applying the mask on my hair, I was like, whoa, is this gonna work? Is my hair gonna be moisturized? Because clay kind of cleanses out your hair, and it can make it feel like not stripped but very not moisturized, if that makes any sense. You see, it feels bouncy too. I'll give the Moroccan clay and shea butter mask like a strong 6/10, but the pre-poo I'll give it like a strong 8 because I enjoyed the slip. It made my detangling process faster and easier. Although after rinsing it, it didn't feel as good as how my DIY pre-poo works, but I think the next time I try it, I'm going to leave it on for a longer time. As for the mask, if you're trying to purify your hair and get rid of product buildup, I suggest that you use this. It did make my hair feel soft. I won't lie, my hair feels soft and it's bouncy, as you can see. I'm impressed, and my hair smells nice too, so I'll give it a 6/10. I'm just going to twist this back because I don't want to hear my face. The deep conditioner is limited because imagine if you don't have heat. Like imagine, I think even if I didn't have heat and I wore this deep conditioner for an hour, my hair won't have felt soft. The heat really activates the whole thing to like get into your strands. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this review. I hope it was informative. If you're thinking of getting the products, I will highly recommend the pre-poo. So guys, that's it for this video. Support me by liking this video and subscribe to my channel so that I can give you more reviews, more tags, whatever kind of video you have. Please suggest them in comment section because you guys suggested I do this review and I did it for you, so you know that I got you. Alright, subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications so you know each time I drop a video. Till next time, bye guys. This is all the shit here, guys. Amazing.